Hey my friend, Dylan DeFazio here, and welcome to the six-figure success system reveal video. Now, what I'm going to be going over in this video is that's actually my coach, which I'll be getting to here in a minute. But what I'm going to be going over in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple system that I set up to help anybody start earning a full-time income online, working only part-time, all right? Now, this might sound a little hypey, this might sound a little crazy, but let me share with you, the mindset behind it so that you guys can understand, why this system is set up the way that it is. Now, what we're going to be sharing is the Legendary Marketer platform. Now, what this is, the Legendary Marketer is it's a online training sweep. So now what you can do is there's products, you can get started for $30 and you're going to get access to the Marketers Club. And then there's upgrades that you can get down the road, which are going to be more advanced training. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be mainly focusing on the commission side of this, as I've gone ahead and set up a system which promotes the Legendary Marketer for you. All you have to do is below this video, there'll be a link and you can get access to the six-figure success system, or you can simply go to sixfiguresuccesssystem.com and that will give you access to it as well. But as you see on my page right here, this is the six-figure success system. Now, what this is a complete done-for-you system. I have paid traffic training, I have free traffic training, and I'm also going to give you my entire system. So I'm going to give you landing pages, sales videos, email follow-up, everything that you need to actually go out there and start making commissions. Because as I cover in the overview video here of the six-figure success system, what most marketers fail with is it's hard for them to find a product or a company that's worth promoting, right? I picked out the Legendary Marketer because of David Sharp's background. He's been in the industry for 8 to 10 years now. He's helped hundreds of people create financial freedom, even thousands of people. And I love the way he trains. And for $30, I mean, look at it, you're going to get over 8 courses. They update these all the time. And you're going to get your very own coach. So as you guys seen there in my Skype video at the start of this video, my coach was messaging me, right? So it's very cool. You actually get to be in touch with somebody that's going to help you. Their main focus is to help you push along, help you start to make money, start to make commissions. And with the Legendary Marketer, with the coaching, with the Facebook ad training, and now with me creating this system is going to give you a hub to actually promote the Legendary Marketer while earning from multiple income streams. Now, what I'm going to be showing you is I'm going to give you an overview of the six-figure success system in this video. Then what I'm going to share with you is the Fast Start training. That's where I'm going to go over the Legendary Marketer, show you a little bit more in depth than I would in this video. And then I'm going to show you how to set up your six-figure success system. Now, like I said before, getting the Legendary Marketer is very cheap. Now, if you compare, the Power Lead system to, ClickFunnels or Lead Pages or anything like that, it's not even in the same ballpark. For the Power Lead system, the way that it's set up, you're going to get $53 to become a gold member and an affiliate. That's what you want to, that's what you want to get set up so that you can start earning $20 residual income for everybody that signs up. Now, the cool thing with Legendary Marketer, with a $30 per month entry level, that's an $18 per month commission. So right now, every time somebody signs up and they get their system completely set up, there is a $38 per month commission. Now, these add up really, really quickly, especially when you tap into my paid traffic training, which I'm going to be giving you guys. And I'm also going to be giving you guys the exact campaigns that I'm using, the exact video campaigns that I'm using, and Bing ad campaigns that I'm using. So lots of value there, and you guys can get access to that by simply joining the Six-Figure Marketers Club. That's 100% free. Even if you don't want to set up your system, you can simply join the Six-Figure Marketers Club. But this system is very cool because anybody that's in Legendary Marketer, they can use this system. You can use it if you're already a member. All you have to do is plug in your affiliate link, and you can use this system if you're already a Power Lead System member. All you have to do is plug in the share code, set up your Legendary Marketer account, and you're ready to earn. So this system is really, really set up for everybody in mind. Whether you're a new member, whether you're experienced, whether you're just looking for another system to run some paid traffic to, whatever wherever you are in your marketing journey, I set this system up to specifically help anybody add a little bit more income or a lot more income depending on where you position yourself. Now, with the success system, there is 2 upgrades. One of them is $147 and the other is $497. Now, these are just 2 products. The first one is specifically, focused on paid traffic, and the second one is more social media and stuff like that. But with these 2 upgrades, every time somebody goes through and sets up their system, they're going to be asked if they want to join that as well. And when somebody goes through and they get all of the upgrades, that's going to be another $100 commission and $400 commission for you. And let me tell you, these add up very, very quickly, and they convert a lot higher than you thought. When I first got started with the Power Lead System, I did the rookie mistake of not going all in, and I cost myself over $1,200 in commissions before I could upgrade my account, which, let me tell you, is a kick in the ass. So don't be like me. Go through, set everything up, watch all the videos, make sure when you go through the Fast Start training, you're contacting your coach, right? All you have to do, let me just go to home here. All you have to do is just simply scroll down, start watching some of the trainings, and then just schedule a coaching call. Bill Thompson is my coach. Your coach might be different, but just go through, set it up. There is a 30-day or 60-day money-back guarantee if you guys are worried about that. But for $30, inside of the Marketers Club, you're going to get tons and tons of value, tons of training. And the cool thing about the Legendary Marketer, why I use it inside of my success system, is somebody that only has $100 to get started, they can start earning those bigger ticket commissions. Now, inside of the Legendary Marketer, say I just bought the Marketers Club and I had somebody that went through and bought a builder. So I signed up 5 people, and 4 of them upgraded to the builder. So how this system works and why the Legendary Marketer is so powerful is if you give up 3 sales, right, which you weren't qualified for anyways, you're going to actually unlock potential to earn on that level. So this is going to give you essentially the ability to start earning commissions on tiers that you weren't even that you haven't even bought. Products that you haven't bought, you can start earning commissions on, which I've been working online for about 3 years now, and I've never seen anything that says, hey, yeah, get us a couple sales and we'll give you the ability to earn commissions on this product, which is really, really good because as I learn and as I grow, right, a lot of people don't have a crazy amount of money to invest. They're not comfortable going out there and dropping thousands of dollars to get started. So another bonus of this system is you can get started for under $100, right? With the Legendary Marketer being only $30 and $53 to set up the system, right? You leave yourself, say you had a $100 budget, you leave yourself with $20 for paid traffic, and boom, you already have 50 clicks coming into your funnel, into your system, where you can start making commissions and then compounding on those commissions, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to get more in depth into the 6-figure success system, just click the link below. It's going to bring you to an opt-in page. Just enter in your email. That way I can give you guys updates, when I go live on trainings and things like that. But then you're going to land on this page. Make sure you watch the very first video, as I'm going to go in depth into everything about the 6-figure success system, and then simply go through all of the tabs. Watch the Fast Start training, watch the system setup. Every time you click the button, it's going to open up in a new tab. It's very simple. There's going to be one video, right? Not too long, and then there's going to be a call to action. and you're going to get your very own system set up exactly the same as this so that you can go ahead and start earning commissions as well. So I want to thank you for watching this video. If it's your first time stopping in, please hit that subscribe button and bell notifications, as I'll be coming out with some more videos on how to make money online. And if you would at all possible, if you enjoyed this content, if you made it this far, just hit that thumbs up button. It'll help me get this video out to as many people, and it'll help us grow the community of the Pro Six Figure Marketers Club. So make sure you join the Facebook group down there, and we'll see you guys on the inside and inside of the group. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.